Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install CoinStats application on your iOS device. First of all, unlock your iOS device and open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you're in the search bar, type in CoinStats and search. From the search result, look for the crypto tracker CoinStats app from CoinStats App LLC and tap on the Get or the Download icon. On your iOS device, you may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the application starts with the download process, let it install on your device automatically, and once installed, you can open the app from your home screen or from your App Store easily. So that is how you can easily download and install CoinStats on your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.